So guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa Christmas tree lighting. Manood kami doon guys sa may park. So, hindi na kaming apat. Hindi sumama yung asawa ko guys dahil may work siya. Ha? It's okay. It's okay. Andito na kami guys sa area kung saan ang Christmas tree lighting mamaya. So maaga kami guys. Dito ang twins. Andito na ang twins. Ayan sila. Naglalaro sila. Nainis ako kay Shelton guys dahil hindi niya nadala ang kanyang jacket. Ang lamig pa naman. Samantha, your jacket. Bring it here, not in there. Naku, nainis ako. Yan sila, naglalaro sila. Tapos nilapag lang niya yung jacket yan sa ano. Kaya galit ako ngayon guys. That's donkey. Come on, let's go over there. Come on guys. Sam, come on. Come on Sawyer. May donkey dito guys. Oh. Come on, let's go.
Where'd you put it?
What? It's inside. What do you wanna do?
Get my phone so I can record it.
Yan, may donkey. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go over there. Sam, please. Yan. Pupunta kami doon. Ulo. Ay, ang putang ina. Oh, hold your jacket.
Okay. Where'd you put it?
What?
I want to record it.
Feliz Navidad para la papa. Feliz Navidad para la papa. Prospero año. Nakisali rin si Sawyer, oh. Wala pa yung ano, wala pa yung nap. Wala pa yung nap.
I guess Merry Christmas. We're so excited that you're here. Hurricane City Council is
Vixen, Vixen, his reindeer, pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells sing the jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight.
It's over there.
So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
There you go,
Santa
Sawyer.
Claus comes tonight.
okay. Here he is. Here's our Santa Claus. Woo! Let's have a big round of applause for working. Bad Jim. Thanks a lot. Santa, we're so glad you're here. He's gonna help us light our tree. I have been a good girl. Come on, sister. Look.
Everybody didn't light this tree. Everybody yell on the count of 3. Merry Christmas. You ready? 1, 2,
3. Merry Christmas!
we can do better than that. Let's try it again. 1,
2, 3. Merry Christmas! Oh.
maybe third time's the charm. Let's try it again. 1,
Yan guys, kumakain kami ng donut at saka may hot cocoa pa.
Yes.
Haba yung pila guys ng donut at saka hot cocoa.
Yes, guys.
Yes guys. Yes guys, haba o yan oh. Oh, so you're very strong. So you're very strong. So you're very strong. Okay, be ready with the ride, Sawyer. Ayan sila. Sasakay sila niyan. Okay, go Sisi. Go Sisi.
Well, like, while you're doing on, you can't hold on to it. But when you're on there, you
So you're excited to ride.
and then you'll fall to it.
Ayan na sila.
Isang ikot lang pala siya.
Ayan si Shelton, si Patty, Ariana, at si Sam, at saka si Sawyer. Niikot-ikot lang sila oh. Kasi pag dalawang ikot yan, mahaba pang pila eh. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kahaba ang pila. Haba. Diyan yung pila o papunta pa yan doon. So ito yung horse ride. Pipila siguro kami yan guys. Look, look, the horse! The horse! Wow! Shatan siya.
Nakasakay na si Dai. Ito si Sam, si Patty, and Yana.
No.
Ayan no guys. Oh, paano?
Ayan, si Irene.
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Horse ride. Whoops! Sa wakas guys, nakasakay din sa haba ng pila.